The program titled Biotechnology and Biosafety Approach towards solving problem of food and nutrition insecurity in Nigeria observed that humans have used biotechnology for millennia. Farmers experimented with selective breeding and cross-fertilization to improve the yield and resilience of their crops and animal breeds, as modern biotechnology has revolutionized ability to alter living organisms for the betterment of the society.
Genetic modification organism for all the improved seeds that have been produced to be adopted by the public. And in line with that, for the participation of all the farmers around, I think it's a collective idea for all of us for the dissemination of the informations.
Series of things that we need to do. Now they have brought this idea of GM seed, which will increase our yield, productivity on the field. Then the farmers, when they produce and there is an improved yield, you see, it encourages our farmers even to do more.
The Director General and Chief Executive Officer, National Biotechnology Development Agency, Professor Abdullahi Mustafa, who spoke via Zoom, noted that the history of modern biotechnology shows innovation efforts targeted to a limited number of crops suited for the agricultural model and markets of developed rather than developing countries. This, he said, raised concerns that modern biotechnology was more about private profit than public good. The Director, Biotechnology Center and Chairman Local Organizing Committee, Professor Silva Uzoshuku, believed the international community and farmers in Nigeria could address emerging technologies by examining environmental and socioeconomic risks as reaping potentials benefits remained a crucial challenge for policymakers and researchers alike for food security.
And disabuse the people of the country, especially our farmers, on the advantages of genetically modified crops. The government has released genetically modified cowpea, that is beans, that is resistant to insects, as well as GM corn, also resistant to insects, and GM cotton, also resistant to insects, in order to revitalize our cotton and textile industries.
The Vice Chancellor, Federal University of Yekiti, Fuye, Professor Abayomi Fashion, represented by the Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration, Professor Tajuddin Okpola, expressed optimism that the workshop will broaden the knowledge of participants in various breakthroughs in biosafety and biotechnology subsector. The workshop, however, agreed that creating awareness and addressing the misconceptions about modern biotech practices and biosafety regulations among academia, farmers, and extension workers will go a long way in building capacity for improved decision-making, bumper affairs, and food security. In Ado Ekiti, Kola Adibobuiji, NT News.